In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add PDF files together. So let's get started. So basically we have these two PDF files that we are going to convert into one PDF file. Now open any web browser and go to combinedpdf.com website. On this website, you can select up to 20 PDF files and images from your computer at a time. On the website homepage, make sure that you are on Combine PDF tab. Now click Upload Files button. A file selection window will open and you just need to select all the PDF files that you wish to add together. Make sure that these files are in correct order. If not, then just drag and drop the files to arrange them in order as needed. Once done, click Combine button. This will take couple of seconds and a new PDF file will be auto-downloaded to your PC. This PDF file will be a combined version of two PDF files selected. According to the website, all the uploaded data will be permanently deleted after 1 hour. This ensures your data is safe and secure. So that is how you can add PDF files together. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.